Hey, what's up, Ankr Coin holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. I'm feeling very happy at this time with the Anchor Coin. And now you think that why you feel very happy. The pricing is negative, the price is fall down. So how you can feel happy? You will be feel very happy after watching these interesting videos because in this video I'm talking about the good news of Anchor Coin. Keep watching this video and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates. Kindly don't ignore and click the subscribe button, my friends. Let's move on. First of all, we look the latest update of the Anchor Coin, and after that we discuss that what's going on in this time in Anchor Coin, my friends. If we look the latest price of the Anchor Coin is this time in the market, so you can see here the latest price of the Anchor Coin 0.103233 USD dollar is the latest price of the Anchor Coin. On the other side, if we look, the price changes occur in the Anchor Coin. So absolutely, my friends, the whole price change occurs in the Anchor Coin is going down from the last 1 week, last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week. Pricing is negative. The price is very badly dumps now, but except of these, I'm feeling very happy. Let me show you, friends, why I'm feeling very happy. Now, if you look the price chart of the Anchor Coin, so as I told you at the start of this video that the price of Anchor Coin is continuously jumps now fast down from the previous last 1 week. You can see now on the screen the prices goes fast down like a straight line. So now, my friends, and the good news is that on the basis of technical analysis, on the basis of my personal research, my prediction is that the Anchor Coin will take a huge pump in the start of June, my friends. On the 1st June, on the 2nd June, they will take the huge pump. Remember that is my prediction. And you know what the cryptocurrencies rules? After a fast serious jump, same like that, now the Anchor Coin is continuously fast down from the previous last 1 week. So now it's time to take a jump, my friends. What do you think? How do you feel today about Anchor Coin? Please tell me in the comment box. And what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Anchor Coin? Please also tell me in the comment box. Let me show you, friends, what's going on this time. The last 1 month price chart you're watching now, last 1 month pricing as negative 37.83%. And highest price is 0.187727 USD dollar, my friends. That is the highest price. What you think? Please tell me in the comment box. Remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay connected with the ABS Tech channel.